to congratulate His Highness Omukami Guru on the 31st anniversary of his coronation. I'm, however, sorry to find that he's sick. I called on him. We should continue to pray for him. I want to thank the committees, together with the Omugo, who are running the affairs of the kingdom when the king is sick. When we restored the kingdoms, I knew what we were doing because I know this area very well. We are part of the ancient culture of this area. I know the contribution of the kingdoms and their limitations. The kingdoms, first of all, we had one kingdom of the Wachwezi, which united all of us for some time, had succeeded in uniting a bigger part of Uganda. And that's why, if you read my address to the Ruchiko, 1993, I made this very clear, how there was a contribution the kingdoms could make, but they should avoid the old mistakes. Modern states are built on democracy. So that's why we said the kingdoms should not mix with the political issues. Let the people elect their leaders, but the cultural leaders have a role. The governance of today, through democracy, the governments are responsible for legislation, administration, and politics, and planning for the economy. There is a gap which the modern states cannot do well. Who looks after the indigenous languages? Because the governments are mainly conducting business in English and to some extent in Swahili. So we said, no, this area will die if nobody is looking after it specifically. So the issue of the indigenous languages should really be concentrated on by the kingdoms, assisted by the government.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.